Hello and welcome to the T3BM's.com. We're here today to discuss the Australian dollar from a COT, or Commitment of Traders report, perspective. What we wanted to show you was a weekly Australian combination dollar, which is PIT and electronic trading. And what we can see here is an A, B, C in Elliott wave terms with, in our opinion, the end of wave C, or maybe even a wave 5 of C, has not completed yet. And we're going to find out why in a minute. Okay, what we see here from the commercial aspect, for those of you who are not familiar with the COT, or Commitment of Traders report, and the different players, ireallytrade.com, Larry Williams' site, is a fantastic starter as to what you should look for in a basic Commitment of Traders report and how to analyze that data. What we have, and what you'll learn at Larry Williams' website, is first we have commercial selling and commercial buying. And again, just briefly, the commercials are companies that actually use the commodity or futures that we're talking about. It could be banks, it could be commercial banks, it could be reserve banks for various countries and the like. What we see here, and this is the red line, is we see commercial selling into this rally that started in the late February. And what we're seeing is commercial selling continues at a high pace, and we find that this usually means that the rally will continue as long as commercials are selling into it. Now, the commercial buying we see is at a very low point. The last time commercial buying, or the black line, was high, we saw a decline. And eventually, the red line, or selling, overtook buying, and a rally ensued. So what we're saying about this Australian dollar is we think the rally will continue until the black line and the red line change places. In other words, until commercials end their selling spree into the rally and begin buying the decline, which we will eventually see. And since the Aussie dollar is commodity driven, at least the economy there is, we think this would entail that the US dollar would continue to chop to slightly sideways to down, and that the Australian dollar will continue up, and thereby it gives us a good sense that crude oil is not finished its rally, which we think after this current pullback we should see a reaching of 76.5 and maybe even slightly beyond. Again, this is the T3BM's.com, and we thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.